Sanibonani guys. Sibuyele futhi nolu with i-maths ne-sciences. Kule video namhlanje sizofocusa kwi-CEO, that is i-Central Application Office. I-based e-KZN, so for anyone ofisa ukufunda e-KZN. Okay, so i-KZN inama-universities awu-4 angaphansi kwe-CEO, okubalwa i-DUT, i-University of Zululand, UniZulu, i-UKZN kanye ne-MUT, so awu-4. Uma kuthi-ke ufuna uku-aplya ngaphansi kwe-CEO uzothola 4 kuphela ama-universities. Then if ufisa uku-aplayela i-UNISA, then i-UNISA-ke uzoyithola iyo-degree lini. Usually ijwayele ukuvula late i-UNISA, but if ufuna uku-aplayela i-UNISA ungayi-aplayela eqeleni, right? Ngaleso sikhathi ezovulwa ngaso. Alright, so ngesikhathi ngisakhuluma-ke la, fanele kube ukuthi usuyi-download-ile le ncwadi le. If ubungakayi-download, uzoyi-download. So sizosebenzisa le version le. So angikho sure if njengoba ibhalwe 2026, it's because yangonyaka ozayo, aplayela unyaka ozayo, kanjani, but so iyona engiyitholile ku-2027-ke awuvuleki. Yeah, so yeah, sengikhohliwe ukuthi isebenza kanjani, but it's fine. So kufanele uvulile incwadi le wena, uboleke if ukuthi i-hard copy nayo, uthatha hard copy if awunayo uyi-download-e. Ayisidli futhi ne-space, uboleke enye ifoni, uvule incwadi leya, uzo-screenshot-a kukwena, upause i-video if ukuthi udinga ukupause. And then la, ila uzobu-aplya khona-ke if ukuthi awukho sure ukuthi uzovula kanjani. Whether uya kwi-internet cafe or uyazenzela futhi it's easy, noma ungazenzela wena uhleli ekhaya, akusi problem. As long as unama-data, I-advise ukuthi ufake ama-data abe maningi. Ungena nje ku-Google noma u-Chrome, noma ngosebenzisa yiphi ifoni leyo browser leyo ungena kuyona, ushaye nje CEO, mhlampe kuzovela u-application, mhlampe kuzovela u-status, mhlampe kuzovela u-login, noma ungashaya noma ikuphi, kuzokuletha la konke, kuzokuletha la. So yonke i-information uzoyithatha kule ncwadi uyifaka la wena ngaphakathi, okay? Since mina-ke i-application ngingenayo, akukho kutheni-ke engizokwenza, yabo, because angifuni ukube ngiba ne-application kuthiwa ayiphelele, but nje just to show you, ungena la. If usufakile usuwenzile i-matric, uqeda mhlawumbe ukufunda kule nyanga, then uvele ufake ama-results akho ka-matric, ukusho ukuthi if u-aplya ubungakayitholi i-certificate, u-aplya nge-statement. Izodependa ukuthi u-aplya kusiphi isikhathi sonyaka. Uma ukade usafunda u-matric, uzo-aplya ngobani? Ngo-grade 11 wakho, I hope kuyabonakala. U-aplya ngama-results akho ka-grade 11, aka-June, lawa November or uDisemba usebenzisa wona. Yabona-ke la into ebalulekile kuma-documents wonke uyawa-certify, uya-photocopy bese uya-certify. Udinga nje izinto ezintathu ey'balulekile: i-ID yakho or i-birth certificate yakho. Uma i-ID ungabi nayo, if ukuthi ufaka i-birth certificate yakho, sure i-ID yami wakho uyayidinga because it's either usemncane or awukakabi nayo. It's either awukabi nawo u-18 or awukakabi nayo i-ID. But fanele ngabe-ke abantu banama-ID, at least kushaya uJune or July wonke umuntu usenawo ama-ID, kuze kubhalwe ama-trials, wonke umuntu unawo ama-ID. Okay, udinga ikopi ne-grade 11 wakho we-report. Abanandaba kakhulu ey'koleni no-March wakho, but ungawufaka. But abanandaba kakhulu no-March, u-grade 11 ubalulekile ngoba fanele bakwenze ukubhalela u-grade 11, ne, sharp. Wenze sure ukuthi ama-documents akho-ke uyacertify ukwama wakho nokwakho. Okay, incwadi yeposi, warehouse number, street number sakini, fanele usibhale usazi. Or incwadi yeposi mawukuthi inamba yeposi mawukuthi awuyazi, uyibhale, uyabo, uyawazi. Obviously-ke uyabazi-ke ukuthi P.O Box ntoni ntoni ntoni, bani bani bani, Durban, private what, uyalazi ikheli langakini ukuthi lihamba kanjani noma landa kuhlala khona, i-address. Okay, and then just to highlight, uyona yonke into oyisayinayo uzobona lezi zinto eziyidaka nje eziphezulu ezibomvu. Yonke into kufanele ukuthi uyigcwalise lapho, kusho ukuthi ibaluleke, fanele ukuthi uyigcwalise. Okunye ungakweqa ku-optional, kukwena ukuthi uyakufaka or akufaki yini. Njengayo mhlawumbe i-address, mhlawumbe uzothola ukuthi i-address i-street yakho iyafana nale upostali, yabo, mhlawumbe kodwa kufanele ukuthi uyifake yodwa, yabo. But lokho okunesitayi esibovu kanje kubalulekile ukuthi ukufake. Okay, so sizama ukuthi sisheshiseke. Enye into ebalulekile, u-C.O uyakhokha, it's bright. Okay, kwi-C.O kubalulekile ukuthi wazi ukuthi uyayikhokha. Ngagcina 250, so I'm not sure uzobona wena uma uqeda uku-apply. U-250 ukhokhela application, fanele ukhokhele before mhla ka-30 September. Okay, yeah, fanele ukuthi usheshe u-apply. I advise laba abafuna uku-applyela izinto ezinjengo-medicine no-dentistry, like lezo zinto ezisheshayo ukuvalwa kanjalo, usheshe uvale, usheshe ukhokhe. And if kwenzeka ufisa ukwenza ama-changes mhlawumbe usuvele usubmithile but khona ushintsho ufuna ukulenza, then uzobe usukhokha enye imali futhi extra ukuze uzokwazi ukwenza lolu shintsho. Nakhona I-advise ukuthi ushintsho ulenze before i-closing date. Ukuvamise ukuthi-ke kube mhla 30 September, ne? Yeah, for ama-courses amaningi, but lawa ka-health avala before 30 September, ene? Okay, excuse me. So ayikho into complicated. Wena okwakho uma usuvele usu-applyile uzothi check my application, ikufune whether i-C.O number, mase usu-applyile i-C.O number uzobe ukhona, or ufake i-ID number bese uthi submit, izozivelela yona yonke into. Ama-documents attachile, if aya-attachwa, kuyenzeka futhi ukuthi anga-attachwa, kube ukuthini, uyabhala nje ukuthi wenza siphi isifundo, uthole i-level bani, mhlambe i-maths uthole level 6, 76%, i-physical sciences uthole 83, kanjalo kanjalo kanjalo, life sciences level 5, yabo, level 5 kanjalo kanjalo. Okay. I-voice yami ayikho yinhle kakhulu-ke namhlanje. Okay, and then ula ku-apply now for umuntu osazi ukuqala unjani u-apply. So uyabo ukuthi i-C.O number ayiveli ngobani, umuntu osazi ukuqala awungabi nayo i-C.O number. So ushaya la iy'namba zakho, ushaya la iy'namba zakho, and then bese mhlambe ukhona okay, bazokunikeza i-C.O number. I don't remember, maybe kukhona i-password thizeni ufanele uku-create or uzoyi-create after. Okubalulekile, i-password leyo once wayithola, i-save phela, hhayi ukuthi uyi-save efonini, iba nebhuku elincane noma ngayifayili. Uyazi ukuthi u-applyela lesikole, u-applyela into enje, i-password or i-pin or i-passcode yakhona inje. Nanka ama-payments, mhlazane uyokhokha, uzoya whether u-Standard Bank or F_N_B or Capitec, lowa bazokusho, ufake i-C.O number yakho, ufake ne-I_D number yakho as reference, mangikhumbula kahle, but bazokutshela ukuthi wenze njani. So ayikho into eyi-problem. Yeah, this is basically it. So la sikubonisa nje ukuthi I think this is a private college, nale it's a private college, of which if umuntu ufisa uku-applyela ama-private colleges, Okay, masibuka la akhona private colleges. It's mostly ama-higher certificates nama-diploma, yabo, just ama-certificate nama-diploma and yeah. Loko ungazikhathazi if usayi-undergrad, ne? Like ima uyoqala ungena e-university, so don't worry about this one. Wena, if umuntu like commerce, kwenza izinto ezine-accounting, economics, this is your field. Yabo. If you are in humanities, but then you like doing izinto ezine-business or like we're interested, then these are your diplomas. I think ungangena if une-maths leads, business studies, yeah. Okay, but asikho la. Okay, so like maningi kakhulu ama-private colleges. There's Boston College. I'm not sure about Demelin, but angiyidlule kakhulu khona. Ngifuna khona kuma-universities. Okay, so this is UT, Durban University of Technology. Enye into fanele uyinote ngalama-universities, kusanama-campuses amaningi ahlukahlukene. Kulawo ma-campuses ku-offerishwa ama-faculties athize. Akuwona wonke othola ukuthi uzoyithola le-faculty ye-arts. Akuwona wonke ukuthi uzoyithola le-faculty ye-engineering and the built environment, naku-health, kanjalo kanjalo kanjalo. Akuwona wonke la uzoyithola khona. Okay, so yeah, you must note ukuthi uyifaka kuphi. Okay, so this is okay, right. This is indlela evezovezwa ngayo umuntu okay. Njengoba ubona, this is i-code. Le code le ikutshela ukuthi isiphi isikole, ikutshela nokuthi yiphi i-campus. Yabo njengoba la ku-KNP. This is i-University of KwaZulu-Natal, Pietermaritzburg. This one is University of KwaZulu-Natal, i-Westville, ne? And then ama-points afunekayo lawa, and then into expected-ke kuwena le ukuthi uyithole, ne? If kuwukuthi awuyimethi le requirement, then ngeke uzuze ungene. Like ayikho enye indlela, like like ngeke uzuze ucushiswe kuthiwa ngoba ubusondele, no. If awufikanga ku-32 points and imaths yakho ayiso-level 5, i-English ne-LO wabona u-level 4, then ngeke uzungene. Ngisho ngani u-36 points, as long as imaths yakho ingekho u-level 5 nala, angeke uzungene. Awekho ama-exceptions. Bashilo ukuthi bafuna lo, bafuna lo, ngale ndlela le. Angeke uzungene if akukho ngale ndlela. Ayikho enye into nje, it's a no entry for wena, right? So iminyaka le, maybe ithi entry term, usho ukuthi it's like ungena ka-term 1 semester yokuqala, and then i-program name-ke le, i-course osuke uyoyingenela, yabo. Yeah, ukuthi la uthatha iminyaka emingaki, u-3 years, then uqede ngo-bachelor wakho. That is u-bachelor of e-commerce, umajorisha nge-accounting, yabo. Okay. Futhi yaziphinda-phinda, ngiyisusa kanjani lento. Okay, it's fine. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Okay, no ayikho. So uyabona-ke, this is i-Durban University of Technology, and inawo wonke lama-campuses lawo. No kidding, like nje serious. Wonke lama-campuses angaphansi kwani kwayo. Okay, so yonke university ine-main campus ethize, and then kube nama-campuses ahlukene ngaphandle. Like for example, mhlambe muzofica la, let's say this is Durban, ne? Mhlambe kuyona kuzoba khona i-main campus, and then mhlambe kube khona around yona, maybe awu-2 angaphandle kwaleyo, but then it doesn't matter. You can choose ukuthi ufunde kwawodwa walawa, kuzoya nge-course kodwa uyikhethile, because sometimes it might happen ukuthi wena uzofuna ukufunda la under Steve Biko, but then mhlambe makuwukuthi kugcwele la, and then leyo course ikhona mhlambe la, then ungatransferwa-ke ngaleyo ndlela, kube ibona bathini hamba uye khona, yabo. Ya, bakwenzela izinto kalula ngoba vele usesikoleni esisodwa, yabo. Unfortunately-ke Mangosuthu ine-campus eyodwa nje, there is a main campus eseMlazi. And then you have UKZN, it has ama-campuses awu-5. Okay, you have Edgewood, it's a Pinetown. Howard is a Durban Medical School, also a Durban. This is the Scottsville, is under Pietermaritzburg. You have Westville, SA Westville. Okay. You have Zululand, uni KwaDlangezwa, then Richards Bay. Okay. And then ke lawa sekwama-private colleges akho ongakwazi ukuthi u-aplaye kona angaphansi kwe-CEO. Okay, you can apply ngaphansi, akhona ama-courses ozowathola angaphansi kwawo. Okay, cool. Angazi ukuthi kwenzakala nge-voice yami, but inesosha. Okay. So this is lento iyafana njengoba kade ngishilo, i-course ila i-code yakhona lula ekutshelayo ukuthi kusiphi isikole, kiphi i-campus, ukuthi ivalwa nini, uyabo. I-closing date yakhona. But again, ngithini advise wonke umuntu by 30 September kube ukuthi usekhokhile lolu mali efunekalayo. Ama-points lawa afunekayo, wena noma ungano-27 points, i-maths yakho ibi-low, angeke ungene. Unfortunately, iminyaka-ke le uyispendayo. And notes, nayinto ebalulekile, yabo la bayakutshela ukuthi applicants with 35 points or more, okusho ukuthi abantu abane-35 points abane-maths ku-level 5, ibona abazokuconsider kuqala. Okusho ukuthi uma bethi bona bafuna ama-students awu-40 and sebebatholile bonke abawu-40, even though nawe sanaye lo, shame ngawe. Shame ngawe, because bazokutshela this program is full, even though you qualified or you met ama-minimum requirements, but then i-program enjani igcwele. Okay, right. So ukhome sonke lo. If wenza i-maths lithi, please ungastruggle apply izinto ezikanje. If uyazazi nje wenza i-maths literacy or i-technical maths, ayikho i-option ye-technical maths, so ungayifaki because izobhalwa ukuthi not even considered, ngobani awuyimithi lento abathi bayayicela, lento abathi bayayifuna. So yeah. And by the way, we say, oh, you only get like 6 options. So kumele uma ukhethe and kubalulekile ukufunda lama-notes lawo. Naku okunye ngifuna ukuza kukona ilokhu. Methi must be from schools with ama-quantiles 1 to 3, ama-levels isikole sakho-ke lapho, ukuthi maybe private, public, no public bayashiya, bakhona usemakhaya, kaya, bekhona usemakhaya nje, bekhona uselokishini, bakhona nasedolobheni, uyabona. And then kube khona private, mhlawumbe usedolobheni bese kuba khona private okuyisabhabhu-ke lo, yabona lo lwangempela. Okuwukuthi-ke abangeni-ke labo la. So this is i-extended like curriculum, i-program whereby it's the same as which one's gone, because yeah, it's the same as this one, a Bachelor of Commerce when accounting nak yabo. But then le yabo ukuthi, oh okay, so this is the UKZN. Okay, I'm sorry. Naye le ikufuna ukuthi uthole bani, ikufuna uthole kuzo 5 kwi-maths, and it's only 3 years. But then uma usuzofaka le, if wenzekile, let's say ufakele le under ubani u-UKZN, waphinda futhi wasiwafaka le nto iyakusiza ikusizelane na ukuthi uma wena ukade uthi mhlawumbe yabo like i-maths uzophasa mhlawumbe 5 ungene la, and then kwenzeka ukuthi shame uvele uthole mhlawumbe 59%, ugcine ungajumbanga, yabo. then uzokwazi ukuthi ungene kule ngo-level 4 wakho, but then yona ngeke isabo 3 years, izoba ubani, izoba 4 years. If kade ufunda esikoleni esi-like le phezulu, angeke ukwazi ukungena. But then if ubufunda kwi-private school nje, yabo mhlawumbe uzikhokhela mhlawumbe 15,000 unyaka wonke uphelele, then uzongena. Or not mhlawumbe more than 25,000 unyaka wonke, yabo. Yeah, but uyazi esikoleni ukuthi ubungakhokha imali eningi if ubuku-private, then if ubuku-public-ke then uzongena, yabo, ngeke uzobe ne-problem. So ayatholakala, this is PMB, this is Westville, okay? Same thing nale, right? So lo, because sekuyinto extendiwe, sekuyinto eluliwe, sebezo-add omunye unyaka ngaphezulu, yabo. So ayisabu 3 years degree, instead isibu 4 years, yabo. Yeah, right. It's the same nalawa, wonke lawa are extended now from lawa, from lo, become lo, yabo. It's Zululand, it's Zululand. This one is 3 years, yabamba. Okay, so this one is now extended. Angithola, it's now extended. So uyabona kodwa akayisatholakali ecampusini enjani eyodwa. This is u-M for uKwadlangezwa, and then la sekubani, seku-A. Wait a minute. Oh, okay, okay. Buke ngathi i-campus eyodwa. Okay, i-campus eyodwa ngicabanga ukuthi bafaka ama-codes angafani. I think mhlambe, okay, kwenzelwa khona lokhu ukukhombisa ukuthi yabo, nayo le, this is a form of an extended. Uyayibona umehluko phakathi kwale nale? Le ifuna u-level 4 we-maths, but le ingawuthatha no-level 3, but then usuzonjani, usuzo-add unyaka. Okumnandi-ke le, nabantu abenza ini, i-maths lit, bangayi-aplayela this one. So if uka-commerce, uyathanda ukuthi uqhubeke ne-Bachelor of Commerce or Management, Economics, yama-banking, auditing, accounting, i-aplayele le, ne? I-aplayele, it doesn't matter ukuthi uyifaka ibe i-option yokuqala or yes-6, yabo. Ayikho la into ethi kuwe ifake ibe i-option esingaki, or ifuna ukuthi ube wesikole esiphi, okay? Nakho uma ufunda i-maths lit, okay? Right, so I think senibonile sisuke ka-commerce. If uka-commerce and into ufuna into zaka-commerce, sticka ku-commerce, okay? Ungayi kokunye. If nje uyazazi awuyenzi leyo yinto, don't bother ukuyi-aplayela leyo yinto, ne? Okay, so this one, this is a bachelor admin. If uka-commerce or uka-sciences, as long as your name is lit, you can apply for this one, okay? Nako konke lokho okunye, if uka-maths lit, whether uka-commerce or uku-science wenza i-maths lit, if uka-commerce or uka-humanities or uka-science, it's fine. You can apply for this one. You can apply in because you have like 6 options. All options are now 6. Ningafaki into ezizodwa, like hlukanisa, yabona. Okunye kufuna ama-points amancane, yabona, njengala kufuna ama-points amancane, then kokunye-ke mhlambe u-aim high, kube ukuthi kusazozimisela enyakeni wonke, usazosebenza kakhulu. Again, excuse, yabona wonke lawa ama-private colleges, and awafuni-ke like ama-points kakhulu wona. Afocusa nje ekutheni nayo into yabo, or u-matric, le nje sifuna i-matric kwenza unyaka wonke. Uzozikhokhelela unless uthola some sort of funding, bursary or some sponsor, yabo. Okay, and then-ke nazi izinto-ke zangempela. Ngiyahlala. Okay, so this okay, this is science, ne? Anyone who is lit, unfortunately awungeni la. And if wenza commerce, maybe there can be an exception for wena, I don't know, but la bathi i-maths sharp and i-agric or i-life sciences or i-physics, of which if wenza into ene-economics, accounting, tourism, ntoni, and awunayo dala ma-options, ufana nomuntu ongangeni. But then it happens-ke kwabanye ukuthi-ke bangene, right? If uyakufuna. But ngingathi, if like wenza i-maths literacy and you wish ukuthi ungenza anything agricultural related, nayi i-field yakho Nkosi yami, nayi ima ngosuthi uyayi-ofarisha. Cabanga ama-points awu-25 fethu. Cabanga, okay. Ngisho ngathi uphase ngodiploma ka-matric, cabanga, buka. Akusiwo u-degree nje ngala, udiploma mfethu. Noma une-maths, noma une-technical maths, noma une-maths lit. Uyabamba? Buka nje ne-life sciences, uyacabanga? Ngiyacabanga mfethu. Uyozifundela nje u-3 years. But then-ke i-closing date nayi ibhaliwe, okay? And kune-test ofanele ukuthi uyenze. So, isikhathi esiningi-ke bayanitshela ukuthi ama-test enini online, makumele uye kuleso sikole, uye-ke kusona. Uyobhala leyo test leyo abafuna ukuthi uyibhale, okay? Nanka. So, udila nama-animals la udila nama-plants. Uyabo ukuthi ku-3 years ama-diploma? Ngiyacabanga awu-3 years ama-diploma. And nansi, yabo nje kubhaliwe i-CP la, I think we-extended curriculum program la, ufana nalowaya. Labaya kade sibawonaphi lapha phezulu, ukuthi usufunda bani, usufunda u-4 years. Okuwukuthi ngathi i-require into eyodwa ifanayo le. Yabo, ngathi i-require into eyodwa enjani, angathi ama-points anjani. Excuse me, ayafana. Ngathi ama-points akhona ayafana, okay. If kodwa-ke uyahalela ukuthi nje wenze into ezinolimo phakathi, but then awukwazanga ukuthi ufunde buka nje le, ayifune i-maths, zifuna i-life science nesiNgisi kuba u-level 5. Cabanga. Naku, okay, angaziwarishi ngalokho wena ngabantu abaqhubekayo. Buka, yabona? Okay. Sibuyele emva time naku. Right. Konke-ke lokho, maths, and yabona nje lo-and omngaka, lo-and omngaka, uthi nje uyayiphoqa i-physical sciences ukuthi ube nayo. Yabona? Nalo and lo, uyakuphoqa ukuthi either une-life sciences or une-agricultural sciences. Kumele kube u-4, level 4, okay? But hayi ukuthi nawe aim-ake phela ukuthi uthole konalokho, yabo? Naba abanye-ke, if wena uyazazi nje ukwakha ntonto ezinokwakha, yabona? Do you see nayo iphethe? Nayo iphethe i-Louis Biko ne-ML Sultan nanka. Cabanga u-level 4. Cabanga uma ukuthi nje uzenzela i-technical maths ne-technical science, ungenile wena khapha. Yamba, bese uyafunda phela la inothi-ke liyakutshela ukuthi ama-first preference yini, umuntu ongakaze aze afunde e-university. So, kubalulekile ukuthi uyifunde le nto le mfethu, uyazwana? Kubalulekile ukuthi uyifunde wazi ukuthi bafunani. Because uzo-apply-a ube nebhadi, ungangeni. Yabona? Okay. Nale igcinise u-4 years, yabona? Iyini i-curriculum naye isinwetshiwe, yabona? Ya, sekuyi-program ukuthi ugcine ungazile nawe ungena kule nto oyifunayo. Le bandla, I do not advise, shame. Angifuni ngasho. Le, angika-advise ukuthi uyifunde. Nale, ungamoshi imali yomzali. Uyabona nje, ungayimoshi imali yomzali. Nkosi yami, iy'nto zethu. Naku, uyazi nje. Bathi ngisaqasha. Lungile. Okay, so njengoba kunjena, this is UKZN, i-Edgewood, Pinetown. This is in Zululand, okay? Bachelor Education with foundational teaching. Yamazi foundational teaching, grade R, or RR, so grade 1 to grade 3, naya. Le kanjalo. And then I think like most usufika ngaphakathi kusuyifundile usukhazela ukuthi okay. Yini kahle uzokukhetha ukuyifundisa, mhlawumbe kubhekwe nokuthi wena wafundana nga-matric. So, kudepend ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani. But nako kusemqoka, yabo la, kumele lama-programs lawo Wonkosa, kumele ukuthi uyifake ku-option number 1 or number 2 ngesikhathi u-apply. Otherwise, ngeke bayi-consider-ishe. Uma number 3, ufake i-teaching iku-number 3, angeke baze bayithathe, angeke baze baku-consider, ngeke bayibuke ngisho ukuyibuka. So, kubalulekile ukufunda la, yabona? Nako, basalokhu begcizelelile. UKZN Zululand iyakutshela i-teaching, ayibo number 1 noma number 2, ngesikhathi usukhetha iy'fundo. Okay? Okay, sidlule-ke kwi-education. Ngizama nje ukukhava lokho kuninganyana. Okunye uzobe usuzibonela nawe. It's the same thing, Nkosi yami, it's the same thing nala. It's the same thing. This is a-Bachelor of Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, okay? This is a-Bachelor we-Science in Engineering, bese u-major ngani nge-computer, yabona? Lawo yabona, u-major khona naku computer yangibamba. Ifunda into eyodwa nonke uma nisaqala, but bese niyahlukana-ke kuye ngokuthi wena ufakani i-computer, kanjalo kanjalo kanjalo. Uyafunda la, kufanele ukuthi le program iba yini, ibe ijoyise kokuqala lo. Uma ufuna u-civil no-mechanical engineering, ngesikhathi uzom-apply, umfake abe yini, i-choice yakho yokuqala, ngoba ngeke baze bamuthathe, ne? I hope kuyazwakala. Angazi noma lento fanele ngiyivule kakhulu yini, khona izobonakala kancane. Okay. I hope izobonakala. Bethu sizongiphelela. Okay. Naku. Kodwa vele fanele ukuthi i-handbook unayo, ne? Ngesikhathi ufunda la, uma wenza i-engineering, ulo, ne? Unyaka wakho wokuqala wenza i-PMB, then wesibili, wesithathu, nowesi-4 ubenzela kuphi? E-Howard College, right? Moving on. Okay, then-ke kube nema-short courses akhona. IMangosuthu uyakwazi ukwenza u-6 months. Uyakwazi futhi ukwenza i-diploma yayo kwi-engineering kanjalo. Bese kuba ne-curriculum enjani e-extended if ungakwazanga ukuthola la noma kube wafuna. If ubuku-apply-elile kodwa-ke, unless bathe mhlambe ama-late applications avuliwe, but nje nisheshe ni-apply, usheshe ube kwi-queue, usheshe ubalwe nawe kanye nezinye iy'ngane. Okay, kusayi-engineering yonke le ukwazi ukuyenza kuphi? Kuma-private college nansi, ya, ne? Ngisho no-grade 11 uyakwazi ezinye iy'fundo no-grade 9. Lo u-architecture, izinto ezinezindlu nje phakathi, kusawu-built environment le sike sayibona be-DUT ngenhla. Ufundisise la ukuthi kufunakalani, okunama-test, uqaphele ukuthi ukulandelele uzokwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Nala, I don't advise lama-courses akanje ukuthi uwafunde, but then if ukuthi into oyifisayo ungayi-apply-ela, uyenze ibe-choice yakho yokuqala. Nanga nama-diplomas akhona uma ufuna ukwenza i-management sciences ne-resources. Engayi-recommend le. But if ufuna ukwenza la, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Apply, ufake i-code le, uthayiphe leli gama leli, i-code izozivele. Either ufake i-code or ufake igama, izozivelela. Okay? Ngizozama ukuthi ngikhave wonke okay. Nazi ezinye, humanities. Na-history, nangu-Bachelor of Arts. Wonke lama-course. So abantu abaningi they go benze lama-courses lawa if baka-humanities. But mina, like ama-courses engike ngawenza wonke lawa. Yeah, angike ngawenza. But then if uyayazi into oyenzayo, then ungayenza. Psychology, yeah, it's good. It's good, psychology. And ungafanele ukuthi ube ufunde-ke yabo yona yonke leyo into leyo. You can also do it la ku-Bachelor of the Arts. Sorry, good private college I meant. sengiyasheshisa. Okay, mase kube nazi ezinye abafisa ukwenza i-IT, unobhatshela wayo ini, we-science, we-computer, nani ne-IT. Kuphi? ePietermaritzburg, ngaseWestville under i-UKZN. Ivalwa mhla ka-30, nangama-points afunekayo, ifuna i-maths, iku-level 5. Bengabanga u-level 5 i-maths, shame. Then uno-3 years, okay? Same thing ngase-DUT, una ubachelor 1 we-information communication science. Nakhona 3 years. Okay, so ama-preferences okuqala azonika umuntu ongakaze aze afunde e-university before. Ungakaze aze afunde, okay? Yeah. If ubusuno-senior certificate, ngicela ukuthi uyibheke nale nto le, because I think u-senior certificate umele lokho. And if ufunda esikoleni like ama-subjects aka-vocational, yabo mhlampe futhi unale, khona lesi sifundo esifundwa ayithiwa i-CAT, ubheke yonke leyo into leyo. Nako kwase-DUT okunye, okay, alright. Nangama-diploma khona if usafisa ukuthi ufunde izinto ezine-computer phakathi, but then uyabona ukuthi hayi, angeke uze uzokwazi ngoba wena wenza ini, i-maths lit, nako ungaka-aplayela if ukuthi wenza i-maths lit, but then ufisa ukuba kulo mkhakha lo. Uyabona unezinto ezinama-computer nama-programs lawa in ukudevelopha. Okay. Nje ngiyastaka nale nto engiyisebenzisayo. Okay, noma mina ngiyayijaha. Inethiwekhi phela iyadonsa, kwenzakalani? Okay, maybe mina ngiyayijaha. Sengiyosela. Okay, senze kanje. But yeah, kukanjalo. Okay, if ufuna ukwenza i-management and planning, kucishe kufanele lokhu kwe-accounting no-BCom. If usafuna ukuba uwona nje lo mkhakha wamabhizinisi, u-HR, management, nako la kukhona, okay? If nje ufuna ukwenza no-BCom, let's say mhlawumbe lokungazethembi kancane wenza i-pure maths and uyabona ukuthi ingeke kuzoba inkinga, mhlawumbe ungakhomesa wenza i-pure maths. Even if uka-science, it's fine, but wenza i-pure maths and then you're like, eyi, mhlawumbe ngeke ngifike ku-level 4 lodingeka lapha phezulu, noma la noma u-level 5 lapha abadingekayo. Hhayi, ukuthi ngiyifake nale, uyabona, ngiyifake nale, ngenzela ukuthi mhlampe ama-chances ngibe nawo, yabona. Okay. Also, if ufisa, yebo, ngiyazi ngempela ngithini inkinga yalena. Okay. Ngizama ukuyisheshisa, khona ama-parts ekumele ngiwakhave and ngadinga uku-explain-wa nawo. Okay. I-part bengifuna ukufika kuyona. Mawukuthi nje kuka-science, so le ifocus emntwini owenza u-science. Battery. Okay, sengizaqala. Le ifocus emntwini wenza u-science. Nanga ama-university, again, ama-universities, ila ukuthi kuzovalwa nini. Ama-programs amaningi akhona. Umuntu othanda ukwenza i-maths, umuntu uthanda ukwenza i-chemistry. Nabo u-3 years lapha. U-3 years, yeah, okay. Yasithaka futhi lento yami. Okay, ubachelor besayensi la, yes. Ubachelor wesayensi abanama-majors. Eh, azengihluphe into. Okay. Oh. Nayi enye iphathi ebalulekile engifisa ukufika kuyona. Okay, nayi. Khona abantu abafisa ukufunda, abafisa ukwenza u-health, ukuthi-ke they need i-life sciences, they need i-maths. Amanye ama-courses azokufuna lo level 3, but bazothatha abantu abanama-points angaphezulu. Like okay, ngiyawubona u-30 points, but maybe bazoqala ko-35, and then baqale kubantu abano-level 6, okay? So, njengoba yabo nje kuthiwa notes below, njengoba uno-red, ufunde, ngoba kubalulekile, ufunde. Bafuna ukuthini, uyifake number 1, noma number 2, noma number 3, ukuze baku-consider-rishe. If uwena number 6, noma number 5 or 4, ngeke baze baku-consider-rishe, okay? Konke lokhu yakuthola kuphi e-DUT, konke nalokhu yakuthola kuphi e-UKZN. Yabona ama-closing dates anjani, awafani. So if ufuna into eno-health sciences by uJune, yenza sure ukuthi wena usonjani, usu-aplayile izinto ey'ningi because zizovalwa. It's 4 years. Okunye kudingeka ukuthi ubhale ama-test, okunye kube ukuthi awukazi uzufunde kunoma ngabe yiphi enye i-university eyake yabakhona, okay? Kunezinto ey'thize-ke futhi ezinye ezidingekayo ukuthi ngesikhathi usufaka i-email yakho noma ngabe yomzali ifuna ukuthi awunayo, uyayi-check-isisa so that if bebuyela kuwena bafuna wenze i-test thizeni, bafuna ukuthi uthole incwadi thizeni, mhlawumbe zokugonyaza noma ngabe yakuphi, usheshe uyi-provide isikhathi singakahambi, ngoba uzoba ne-problem, kuzothiwani ama-documents anjani angaphelele kanje 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 kanje. Again, nanka amanye ofarishwayo ama-courses under health. You also have i-medical science, ne-medicine, kulabantu abathanda i-medicine. Nakhona abayifakile ama-points anjani a-specific. Bafuna i-maths yakhe ibe level 5, ne-physics yakhe ibe level 5, physical sciences ne-life sciences. But bazothatha abantu bo-A plus kuqala, and because you-6 years, again, yabo, iyavalwa nini ngo-30 June. If ufuna wena into enani ene-medicine, akushaya uJune wena kade waqeda uku-aplya, kade waqeda ukunjani ukukhokha, usuyazi yonke into, ne? Yeah. Usuwakwenza kanjani, waqeda. If kunama-problems, fona, contact nazi iy'namba, nokunye ukulandelele. Uma kuwukuthi kuyadingeka. Unfortunately-ke le laptop isizocima. Shame. I hope kodwa ukuthi kuzwakele ama-documents abalulekile, zonke lezo zinto. Nala amanye ama-courses, it's the same thing, umu-aplya, ne? It's the same thing, okay? Kufuneka nje the same thing, bukisisa ufundisise yonke into, uzoba right.